wherever you're watching this video, you're welcome back to my channel. This video will be about a tutorial on how I make this halter neck gown. It's just a very simple gown, and I felt like why not just share the idea with you guys. So here we are. You want to see how I made the dress, keep watching. And if you're looking at this beautiful dress and you really love to know how to make it, you can check out my video on how I did that. Yeah, all right guys, keep watching this video and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and also share this video. I love you guys. Of this fabric, like I really love the fabric. It's super stretchy and lightweight. The first thing I did is to slit it into equal half, that is one half for the front and the other half for the back. So here for the front, I measure 7 inches, which will serve as my armhole. Then I marked it, and from that line I'm drawing a line to the tip of the fabric. Then I measured my waist length and my waist measurement, that is the circumference of my waist, so I marked that. Then I also marked my hip length and the circumference of my hip. Then I connect them together to form my shape. And here I'm cutting that out. I hope you enjoy watching this. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share your thoughts and ideas in the comment section down below. So that's how it looks after cutting it. And for the back piece, I want the back piece to have like a straight neckline. Is it neckline now? I just want the back to join to the front at the armhole side, so it's not really having a neckline, so I just want it straight. So that's why I'm cutting that 7 inches that I used for my armhole line for the front piece, so I'm cutting it off for the back. So I also marked my measurements on my back piece and I cut that out. Then here I'm stitching it together, side facing each other, and sewing the sides together. So here I have a strip of fabric which measures 2.5 inch wide, and I didn't really measure the length, so I just fold it into two. Then I join it to the neckline of the dress. So that's what you are watching there. I am actually using a zigzag stitch to join them together just to secure the ends of the fabric, and that's it. Then I also have another piece of fabric that measures 1 inch wide. Seriously, I didn't measure the length, so it should be around 20 something inches, I guess. So I folded it twice and I'm just stitching all through, so that will serve as the rope to tie to my neck. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also drop your ideas in the comment section. I hope you are enjoying watching this and you will create this. So here is the last stage at the tip of the front piece, so I'm just going to fold it like 1 inch and I'm just going to stitch that. That will serve as a passage for the rope so as to tie it to the neck. Like seriously, I can't wait to try this dress on. So let's try it on and see what it looks like. Yeah, so finally I think it's quite okay. For the armhole, like for the front part, I felt like it's too revealing, so I'll suggest to use 5 inches instead of 7 inches for the armhole. And also when curving it, make sure you don't curve in too much. Yeah, it's the back of the dress for me.
This is my favorite style of them all. Seriously, I love the combo. I love the knee boot and how small the bag is. You know, it's just something you can easily carry around. And the color of the jacket, like the style is so cool and so warm, and it's something I can just, you know, rock every day. One thing I love about this style is its creativity, like the sweater, the way I just put it like off shoulder and all, so it kind of make it look creative to me. I was doubtful when I wanted to rock it. I was just like, let me try this, and it actually worked. And here is the last style. I looked like a scholar. I decided to rock it as a top, and it actually worked. I couldn't decide which bag to use. I love both bags, so I can go with any. Thank you guys. See you in my next video.